Vibe coding apps is an easy thing, but what about hosting it when you are ready to launch? Today, in this video, I'll walk you through how to host your Rocket build project on a custom domain instead of the default localhost URL. Here's a recent project I've developed using Rocket. This is my login screen, and here we have the gallery browser. The artwork detail section is still under construction, but we do have the homepage and the artistic profile ready. To move forward, you'll need to register first. So I'll enter my credentials here. You'll need to do this for yourself as well. Go ahead and click on Create Account. Now I have successfully registered. Make sure the app is properly set up and working. Go on, click the Launch button. By doing this, you can easily publish your project on Netlify. Let's understand the reason we're doing this. I've integrated my project with Supabase, and you'll need to do the same. This is a project overview where I've saved my project using Rocket. Navigate to Authentication and then URL configuration. Inside your URL, you'll notice it's hosted on localhost 3000. Supabase automatically handles user registration emails. Since I've already registered, I'll verify my email for the project. So I'll head over to my emails and click on Confirm your email. You can see this takes me to localhost 3000, which is currently a broken page. Let's instead visit the project published on Netlify. Publish it on a user-specific custom domain. Click on Add Domain here. Simply type your own custom domain. I'll type mine. You'll need to do the same for yourself. You'll see a DNS record drop-down menu. Copy all the DNS records and paste them into your hosting platform like GoDaddy or Namecheap. I'm using GoDaddy for my project, but remember, this step is done outside of Rocket. This is my GoDaddy dashboard. Navigate to Domains, scroll down a bit to find DNS, add new records and paste all the records Rocket provided you. After adding the records, just click on the Save button. You can see it's updating and successfully updated. Simply head back to Pocket. Click on Verify. The verification is pending right now, so just click Refresh. It's live on our custom domain URL. Head over to Supabase. In the Authenticator section, URL configuration, replace the localhost 3000 with your custom domain and save the changes. As you can see, it has been successfully updated. Return to Rocket, where you need to register once again. Enter your credentials once more and create an account. Supabase should send a verification email for this as well, right? Supabase has sent a confirmation for my sign up. Click on Confirm your mail. Now the project is hosted on a custom domain instead of the localhost URL. And there you have it. Those are the steps you can follow to achieve this setup. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up. Let us know what kind of content you'd like to see next, and we'll catch you in the next video.